Hi friends, if you've ever felt like creating content takes way too long, this is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 free AI tools that has helped me create viral content faster, without a team, without burnout, and without feeling like you're constantly playing the catch-up game. Oh, and I made you a free downloadable too. I'll share how to get it at the end. Here's the truth. Most creators, photographers, and small business owners are trying to do everything. They're trying to write captions, write videos, post content, respond to posts, create stunning content, grow your brand, or make money online. And still run their actual business. You're not alone. What if I told you the answer isn't working harder, it's working smarter with AI? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how creators like you and me are using AI tools to create viral content, automate the workflow, and build a digital business, all without a huge team or a tech background. Let's start with an example. This YouTube video you're watching was outlined using ChatGPT. Then I designed a thumbnail with Canva's Magic Design. I wrote the title with an AI headline generator and edited it using CapCut. Each one of these tools is free, and I'll show you how to use them. First step, GTP. This is my absolute favorite tool. I use it to brainstorm content ideas, write hooks, captions, even scripts for my videos. Here's an example on how to use it. Give 10 viral TikTok hooks for small business owners using humor plus a trending music. And boom, instant ideas. Yes, the free version works beautifully. If you want to turn a basic idea into pro-level graphic, Canva's new AI feature will blow your mind. Use Magic Write to create blog post intros or a carousel copy. Use Magic Design to instantly generate layouts for your Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and more. No design experience is needed, just ideas and clicks. Third is CapCut AI templates. So you want subtitles, edits, B-rolls, music instantly? CapCut makes it possible. If you've been avoiding video because it feels hard or awkward, this is for you. CapCut has plug-and-play video templates that match your content to trending music. You literally drop your photos or clips in and it looks something like a pro made it. Perfect for YouTube Reels or even TikTok video. Tool number 4 is Descript. If you create any long-term content like podcasts, YouTube videos, tutorials, this will change your life. You can edit your videos like a Word document by deleting text. It also generates captions and can clone your voice. Yes, clone your voice. No, this is my real voice in this video, but I'm planning to use it soon to create an avatar to try out. And finally, 5 is Notion AI. This is going to be your go-to for organizing your brain. From content calendars to post outlines to launch plans, you can write a prompt and it will help you format and prioritize everything. Try this. Turn 5 ideas into 30-day content plan with daily prompts and CTAs. It does the heavy lifting so you don't have to anymore. Now here's the big picture. You can combine these tools to create what I call an AI-driven engine. Imagine you write a post, turn it into a video, make 3 graphics, and schedule them in under an hour, all with AI. This is the system I use and I put it into a free guide for you. You can download it right now. It's called 5 Free AI Tools to Create Viral Content Fast. I put everything I shared today into this free guide. Beautifully designed, packaged with links, and includes prompts that I use every day. You can download it right now. Just click the link in the description below. So AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to amplify it. So whether you're an e-commerce seller, a content creator, a freelancer, start building a smarter workflow today. And if this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and drop a comment and let me know which tool you're most excited about to try. See you in the next video. Until then, stay creative.